Parrots are famous for their ability to learn behaviors and sounds, like Star here.
And water changes.
But impressive vocal abilities aside, how smart are parrots? How do you even measure such a thing? Let's find out. Take it away, Star. One great example of the intelligence of parrots is their social learning. How does social learning work? One bird knows how to do something, and another bird picks up the skill by watching it. For example, I work with two parrots. Shyla can spin when asked, a behavior that was taught years ago. But Ray has seen this behavior and started practicing on her own. Now Ray can do it when asked as well. Ray learned by observation. In a research context, it works like this. The teacher asks me to say hello. I say hello, and I get a treat. The teacher asks me again, and I do the correct behavior again. Then the researcher asks the bird. Hopefully, the bird responds correctly. This is called the model-rival method of teaching. It's called that because I am the model, displaying the desired behavior, and Star is the rival competing for the researcher's attention and treats by doing the correct behavior. A famous parrot taught using the model-rival method was Alex, an African gray who was the star student of a research lab, whose accomplishments were outlined in the book Alex and Me by researcher Irene Pepperberg. He learned behaviors by watching lab assistants and researchers. He learned 50 object labels, plus colors and shapes. He could count objects. Not only that, he could group these into categories, recognizing that red, green, and blue are all colors, which is an abstract concept. He could also compare objects using words like bigger or smaller, which is also an abstract concept. So parrots are social, like us, and can learn from others, like us. So are parrots as smart as humans? It's almost impossible to say. Certain tests, like what is 20 minus 5, will have humans looking like geniuses. Other tests, like copy a complex sound just by hearing it, will make parrots look smarter. We can say that on tests that we can both pass, like identifying shapes and colors, parrots are on par with a 3 to 5-year-old human. Pretty good. But remember that a parrot flock can survive in the rainforest despite all the dangers and difficulties, and even adult humans would have a hard time managing that. So parrots are as smart as they need to be. Thanks for stopping by to learn what makes life awesome. I don't mean to parrot, but you should watch other videos on this channel, and join the flock by subscribing before you go. Thanks for stopping by.